Accu-Tell ToRCH IgG/IgM Combo Cassette, Serum/Plasma. Test procedure. Remove the test cassette from the sealed pouch. Place the test cassette on a clean and level surface. Hold the dropper vertically and transfer 1 drop of serum or plasma and 2 drops of buffer to each specimen well of the test cassette respectively. And then start the timer. Avoid trapping air bubbles in the specimen well. Wait for the colored lines to appear. The results should be read at 15 minutes. Do not interpret results after 20 minutes. Interpretation of results. Positive, for each testing item. 1 colored line appears in the control region and another colored line appears in the test region. Negative, 1 colored line appears in the control line region, C, of every section. No line appears in IgG and IgM test line region, G and M. Invalid. Control line fails to appear in any section.